Yo! What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to channel V8X, where power meets precision and luxury gets loud. Today, we're not just looking at a car. We're stepping into pure executive dominance. This is the 2026 Audi A6 S Line, finished in that menacing, head-turning glossy black. And trust me, this one means business. Front view, aggressive tone. Let's start from the front, because this angle hits hard. The front view of the 2026 Audi A6 S Line looks angry, sharp, and confident. Those LED headlights slice through the air like blades, and the bold Audi grille sits wide and low, screaming authority. In glossy black, the reflections are insane. This thing doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. Side view, smooth but powerful. Now slide over to the side view and wow. This is where Audi flexes its design muscles. Long, clean body lines, aggressive S-line wheels, and that perfect executive silhouette. It looks fast even when it's standing still. This angle says luxury, but whispers performance. Back view, mean and confident. Then you hit the back view, and the vibe changes again. Sharp LED tail lights, wide stance, and a planted look that feels solid and expensive. From behind, the 2026 Audi A6 S Line in glossy black looks bold, calm, and unbothered, like it already won. Now let's talk about the angles that really elevate this car. The dashboard view? Pure modern luxury. Digital screens, premium materials, ambient lighting, it feels like a cockpit built for success. The engine view reminds you this isn't just about looks. There's real engineering under the hood. Power, balance, and precision, classic Audi DNA. The drone view is straight up cinematic. From above, the glossy black paint pops, the proportions look perfect, and the car owns the road. The highway shot? That's where this A6 S Line truly comes alive. Smooth cruising, aggressive presence, effortless speed, executive power in motion. And the night shot. Man, that's dangerous. City lights reflecting off the black paint, LEDs glowing, pure luxury after dark. Now let's talk money, because this level of design and performance doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Audi A6 S Line is expected to start around the premium executive sedan price range, making it a strong competitor in the luxury market. And honestly, for what you get, it looks worth every dollar. Final hype, strong close. This isn't just a car for commuting. This is a car for statements. For leaders. For people who want luxury, power, and presence. All wrapped in glossy black perfection. Outro, channel call. If you're feeling this beast, smash that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and don't forget, you're watching channel V8X, where cars aren't just reviewed. They're unleashed. See you in the next one. Fire automobile dashing away.